connect kids to coverage. And so today we're here to recommit to the challenge. And as Cindy said, we're here at the beginning of a new school year. And as we do that, we're supported by the Urban Institute study that gives us much better information about how to locate these 5 million uninsured kids. The new study confirms that a lot of states have been doing a very good job. And the states have managed to cover 90% or more of the kids who are eligible for CHIP or Medicaid in many cases. But the study also gives a much sharper focus on where the kids still need this coverage. And that's where we need to redouble our efforts and find new partners to get our kids enrolled. Over the last year, we saw how challenging it was to pass the health insurance reform that will cover 32 million more Americans once it's fully implemented. But what we know about the challenge today is that we have the ability and we have the tools right at hand to enroll the 5 million children right now, so there's no need to wait. Every day, one of the things I see when I come through the doors of this wonderful building is a quote on the wall from Hubert Humphrey, after whom the building was named. And it begins this way: "The moral test of a government is how that government treats those who are in the dawn of life, the children." I remember the senator's words, and I think it's as good a motto in the reason why these investments in children matter, especially investments in their health. As long as any child in America is without health insurance, we shouldn't be satisfied. If you're not already out in your communities, please take on this challenge. Help us make sure that CHIP and Medicaid reach every child who's eligible. And thanks to our partners and the partners with us on the line today for everything you have done and will do. We look forward to having more of you work with us. Now I want to turn the podium over to one of our great allies in the effort to make sure children have the healthiest, smartest start in life, and that's Education Secretary Arne Duncan.
Good morning. I want to thank Kathleen and her team for being amazing partners, not just on this initiative, but on so many other areas where we've worked together. As all of you know, we're trying to dramatically improve educational outcomes for children in this country. And as much as we want more students taking AP Calculus and Algebra Trig and biology, there's some foundational things, there's some building blocks that have to be in place for students to even be thinking about those things, to be able to concentrate on those kinds of subjects. If our children aren't fed, they're hungry, it's hard to concentrate in class. If our children can't see the blackboard, as Kathleen said, it's hard to do well. If our children have asthma that's going untreated, undiagnosed, it's hard to